The site page of the CHEERS Registry displays your project history. To view a project, simply click the project from the list, or use the Smart Search bar to type in details for the project you are looking for, such as the address or project name, then make your selection. Enter as much detail about your site as possible, such as street names and numbers, to narrow your results. Not sure of the specific address or project information you're looking for? You can also filter your search using the drop-down menu to the left of the search bar. While the default options show All Sites, click the arrow to sort or narrow your list by project type. You can also search for a community project. We'll cover how to set up a new project later in this tutorial. For now, let's look at reviewing materials from existing projects. The Site Details page is your central hub for storing a project's information and documents, communicating amongst team members, and signing and submitting documents for verification. Let's walk through each of these components. The top of the page shows the project documentation and current status. Documents uploaded here will remain with the project indefinitely. The blue bar on the top right displays your options for either downloading or sending your documentation. We'll also get into these features in more detail later in this tutorial. Scrolling down, the next section displays the site address and information for the project. Next is a space for members. Members are individuals or companies with their own CHEERS accounts that may need to access this project or its documentation. To add members to this project, simply search for their CHEERS account using the search bar and add them to the project. The final space on the Site Details page is the Activity wall. Here, project members can communicate and leave each other messages, status updates, or attach photos or other documents. Users can use this space to keep the entire team informed or send individual updates to specific team members. Let's scroll back up to look at our Documents section. From here, the user will have a few different options of what to do next with these documents. Click the blue Continue button below this video to proceed with the tutorial.